Silver against US dollar this week has rise in value, and we can see that the price formed bullish breakout here at this support level 26.63. Then the price reached the resistance level at 27.42. Then for several days we can see the price has formed these small candles, and then on Thursday the price formed again bullish breakout going above and reaching the next resistance level at 28.28. On a Friday the price continued to rise in value, trying to make another bullish breakout. We can see that here, but then the price returned all the way back down, forming this bearish pin bar. On the weekly time frame, this looks like a strong bullish candle after the price has formed in the last 2 weeks bearish candles. So the price reached the support level at 25.91, and then the price retraced all the way back up, reaching the first resistance level at 28.28. Monthly time frame shows us continuation of this bullish trend, and we can see that the price has reached this resistance level here, visible at 28.28, trying to make another bullish breakout. So everything is still pointing that the price have enough strength to continue to rise in value. What we can make as a conclusion for this month, because we have 2 more weeks until this month ends, is that there is a potentially bullish breakout happening here on the market. But for that, I need to see what happens on the lower time frames, because they are showing us much more information. Currently, the weekly is showing also the bullish strength here. There is a potentially that the price could continue to rise in value on the weekly time frame, but what we can see, the price needs to make a breakout above 28.65. On the daily time frame, 28.68 will be the next level. Just a minute, we need to put here a resistance level visible on the daily time frame. Okay, this is the first level that needs to be broken in order for the price to return back up. So let's say, just a minute, we need to fix this one a little bit just to confirm. This should be right here. Okay, I need to return this back down. I will move this one here so I can see it much better. Okay, this will be, let's stretch this one a little bit down, and here it is. This is a supply and demand zone for the price. Now let's see how this looks. Okay, after the price makes a breakout, we can see that here, if the price doesn't return back down, it will be indication for the further rise in value, and we can see this is the support level that is holding the price, and we can see that the price has returned back down. Now on the, just a minute, shapes rectangle here. Need to put this one also small one. This will be also a support and supply demand zone for the price around this horizontal line. Okay. Now what I can see here visible is on the daily time frame, currently what I am expecting is that the price will try to make a little bit back down, going down to this one, 27.94, and then continue to rise in value. And we can see this is the bullish trend currently active. There is also a possibility that we see a large wick going even more down all the way to this first support level, just in this case where we can see, and then returning it back up. Currently what I can see, the price is in the uptrend all the way. This was a small retrace back down and then continue to rise in value. So this is something that I'm expecting for the silver, that it will continue to rise in value, slightly returning back down because of this bearish pin bar. So if there is some kind of a signal or some kind of a bearish breakout happening on the market, for example this one here on the daily time frame, I will share that inside the Telegram group with traders. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.